When you are able to see my screen, please let me know. Yes, that is visible.
Yes, sir.
First, we need to download XAMPP because PHP is a language which will run our server. So to run this code, whatever we write in PHP, we require servers. Downloading. Hope you guys have this VS Code installed. If it's not installed, I will request you please download this and install that your end. Okay. And this is our project. Please clone this at your end, and this is our foundation. And I am assuming you already gone through this. If no, please, you can say you need to check that. And here we need to install one extension, which is PHP. Here I am going to install this. So that means it will help us to complete our code. Let's install. Let's install this. Next, we need to go with the next one.
Okay.
You can write a code of PHP on your simple notepad as well. So this is a syntax to write a code PHP and echo if you want to print some string there. So let's say echo and this is optional. Ending this is optional. And you need to save this file by extension of PHP. Also, index the save. to run this, you need to put this file into a HTTP docs folder for your XAMPP. We are installing this XAMPP. You need to put that there, then it will run. Okay. So for that, we need to create 3 files there. I'm creating 2 more files. Check stored this desktop only. Create first PHP project. This is our index file. And PHP to now we are waiting for this. To run this, what we will do, we will open our start our Apache servers, and after that, after putting this into your HTTP docs folder, this project, we will run our server and give a slash to this folder name and then file. Then you are able to see the output, whatever you mentioned. That's here. Oh, the change this, but you can see the change it first. Work on this. And we will store inbox. Team. So now we have a pages with us. And apart from that, in a PHP, you can write your HTML tags and code as well. Okay, so here let's write this. That's option. Let's do no problem for that. It will work. Can do that. So this 3D card. Then here, terminal server is for that. We should be able to do this response. We'll write this, and if we run this, then browser will send a request to this server, and server will check the execute the PHP file and prepare a response. And after that, you are able to receive that. So now, asking, and then whatever we write, we created some pages, and we will check that. What is the output we will get there. And after that, why should we require so many pages and do processing on a server? So it's required. Show the screen backend process the data. User is able to see the screen and interact with the screen and fill the data and get the data. But eventually your backend will do the processing and connect with the data. So here, like we will use this way to interact with our pages or open our page. And for API, we will use some client with the help of that, we can check that. And these are the tools which we will use, like we already installed XAMPP, ES2, these are you can say come up with the this XAMPP only. Apache is come up with the XAMPP only, so you don't need to install anything. ES Code is already installed and I guided you. You need to do that. And this browser is Chrome, Edge, those are browser, and Postman is option for Debian. We will use Bruno at the place of Postman. So we use Bruno there. Okay. So this is as I told you, you need to go to this folder and put your project there. Okay. Let's do one thing. They are creating these files, folders. We will also create that in our folder. Let me copy this. Go to my C drive and then page there. HTTP dot, then HTTP dot. This is our project, and now we will need to run that one. Run control panel. Now we need to start. Okay. You start changing running. Now you need to go with this open your browser. I need to mention this local host. Now this here, this. Now at the place of dashboard, we need to write here project name. First filter. Then you are able to see your index page. And if you want to do this, PHP first project, prior to code is opening this. Okay. And Apache, about this, about this, about it also working. Okay. So save. So in this way, you can check this. If there is any question or concern, you are good with this.
So, sir, actually, Apache's local server is running on our computer.
Yes,
Okay. Okay, sir.
because if you develop anything, first you need to validate on your local. Otherwise, you need to bear a lot of cost for server and things. Am I right? While
Okay.
development, you will do use your local environment. Kapil, any question or concern till now? No, sir. Okay, we are good till now. Yes, let's create new folder there. Project. One is API. Other one is control. Third one is sales. And let's check that really got here. First entry file, because when we launch our project, if this is whatever the content is there in this file, we are able to see that. And here in a configuration, we will put our all the configuration like database or third-party API, whatever we will use. And API files, which will help to interact with our client and server, to include reusable helper files. Whatever common files we will put in and include and reuse. Okay, we already checked that, and we not use variable. We will use this variable as well. How you can do that? Okay, and here this is the expression when you want to use the variable inside your string, then you need to use the this percentage symbol. And this is a way to declare a variable and assign a value to the variables in a PHP. Okay, now I will explain this. That's not an issue. So this is my, you can say, variable, like three kind of variable: number, boolean, and data type. It is. So we will check that. And this is array data type, and these are the operator commands: single line, multi-line, and this is the echo print. Echo and print both show output in real project. Echo is more commonly used. Return JSON response to index.html. We will create a
Sir,
response. Yes,
what is the
yes.
difference? Sir, actually, what is the difference between echo and print? Is both are used to print statements?
Yes, yes, yes. We will check everything in a practical. Let's do this first with the basic thing. Let's do one thing. Let's start with that status. So here we will discuss about variable. These are the, you can say this, variable creators and dictionary statements. Echo. Okay. Variable to, you can say, store your values inside your program. You use variable. Let's say here this thing. Okay. Let me do something interesting here. I created one HTML page. Let me open this. H1 very, very, and here you are able to see, and if you check your output, this is not, it's not saved. Yeah, saved. No, it's not saved. Okay. Just let's connect store. Here, let me go. Let's show you that only. Question is live going back. It's referring the same thing. Okay, this thing. Okay. Hello, friends. See this. Yes, now show. You can write a HTML code here as well. It will be treated. First, it will evaluate and do the things. And if you want to create a variables, that's it. Variables and data types. And the variables is PHP builds let's solve this. Also, and say, um, what is your age, Rupesh?
It's 24.
Good. Let us program that if you want. So now we are able to see that convert this into the whatever we are printing. Let's do this with the help of variable. First variable is value is the page. Second is page, which is number. Here, because you can use is hotel to one more this line into profession. Profession. Yep. And now you can upload this. The help of that. Do that like and page.
No, sir, his age.
Yes, yes, yes. This is this is okay. Now after this, so after that, Let's check the output. There is a problem. Basically, go this here and it's not able to understand what is that. That's why warning may not define the variable depression. Okay, makes sense. So if you want to do any code, then you need to write inside this PHP block. Otherwise, it will not work. This and set up and refresh this page. Now you are able to. And here, if you observe, this is showing one. If you have a, you can say value true, then it will treat it as a one. If by ph, okay. Even though value is true, but it's treated as a one, and if it's a false, it's treated as a zero. Any question or concern, guys, regarding this variable and data types?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay. Then, then we need to discuss another data type, which is the array. Okay. So you can create a multiple, you can say this blocks here. It's not an issue. Okay. That's like these was that okay. Now if you want to print this, let's uh, we will get the we to 0, 1, 2, 3. Index starts from 0 always. Now you are able to see this output. Into that. No problem. There instructor into This concludes with this. Let me remove it. It's not printing anything there. Okay, because we are not using vector.
Sir, I think we need to use echo or print
Echo
here.
we need to use that one print, yes, right. We are not using that, but that's just not doing anything and is unable to understand this key and variable. So, first we will check this. T-shirt laws and these are the things if you want to say yes this, then you can do this. Then new line. Let's string. Okay, this class is not used for this. Concatenate string. But, something there. Goodness gracious. Okay, we will take that up in a next chapter or when we will discuss about the scale character. Today itself we will complete this scale character as well. Okay.
Okay,
Any
sir.
question? Any question or concern regarding this array?
Sir, can we use single line to print all the array?
Single line, yes. You can. You can put in a multiple line, single
No,
line.
I mean, I want to ask to you, can we use single echo to print all this array value?
Yes, why not? That is my question. Oh, okay, that I think that we require no. This let's do one thing.
Okay,
Let's do it step by step.
just skip, sir. We will discuss in next section.
How it is done. It's with a one. Just like this. Number with this one. No, it will not allow to do that. So, okay, we will take that up later. But that is okay. Is first printing like this way. It will tell the way what type of data is storing and what is the length of that, and these are the elements. And these are the keys. You can say this. And internally itself, they are saying, hey, this string containing this much of character, and this is containing this much of character and string shots. And this is a key or index of that zero thing. So with the help of Ardent, you can get the more information. Okay, so now we need to go ahead for our operator. So let's open that operator. So in a, you can say a programming language, we have a multiple kind of operator with us. And right now we will do something different. So right now we will use H1, and here inside that we can use PHP and Echo. Echo here is operators. PHP. That's this operators. So we have first we have a H order list. Well, we have arithmetic operators, arithmetic operators are there. So, mm, here, this is one thing. Here we have a OL. So the OL arithmetic. That's fine. Well, alloy is the alloy, alloy assignment. Okay, now first let's discuss about this arithmetic approach. PHP You tell me about arithmetic operators, guys, if you know.
Sir, it's like plus, minus, or
Okay.
to use calculations, multiplication and division, and modulars are arithmetical operators.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Yes.
Sir, it's dollar B, dollar A plus dollar B.
And construction. Some reply. Yeah. More. More. Okay. Now, question 57. Right. It's not allowed to do
Sir,
that.
still don't
So,
close PHP. Sir, we still don't close PHP tag. It start but don't close.
that it will not go to this question. This. Yeah. This over here. This is. Yes. Okay. One. Result of the and constant sum this. Sum includes printing this. What about the coming thing? I will miss this. Okay. First printing all these things. Okay. Any question or concern regarding this arithmetic operator, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir. Sir, wait a minute. Wait. No, sir. So, if we want to print this in different lines,
As
we
I
need.
told you, we will check that in when we discuss about escape character. No worries at all.
Okay, okay, sir.
Go with the flow. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
So this is assignment operators. So let's say there is a, let's say this is a way if you want to convert this into, let's say, mm, that's it. This is a way to do this here. So we are adding A and B and assigning to A itself. Then this is a way, but there is a shortest way as well. So for that, you don't need to do this. You can just remove and add the place of this plus and equal. Then it will give the same result. A is A minus A. Same with this. A minus A. These are short term. Hmm. Let's check this. So it's also printing. Okay. And the next, we'll check our next, you can say this topic, which is the, you can say, comparison operator. Comparison operator is nothing. We will compare the two things, like who is means taller between location and compare. So based on our length means height, and we will compare. So in our programming itself, we require this comparison. So for that, we will use this operator. So we have a, you can say, equal, not equal, and you can say greater, less than, not. These are the things where
Greater than equal to, less than equal to, equals to.
yes, yes, relationship operator or this relation operator. Guys, let's take a means 10-minute break. After that, we will continue with our session. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.